All right, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening at whatever time you're watching this video and from wherever you're watching it. Welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. I'm so excited to have you around once again. So we are starting our free training tonight. It's a free graphics training and we'll be learning something beautiful, how to write your name in styles using the Draw Graffiti app. Okay, so follow me and let's go and let's watch it together how to make it in simple steps. Okay, all right guys, so I'm heading straight to my Draw Graffiti app. Okay, so this is the app and it's easy to use. I just installed it from Play Store, so you can do the same. You can get it from Play Store, and to use it you don't have to sign up or sign in, but you can actually get premium. Okay, but I use the free. So we are going to click on start to start our work. So once you click on start, it will ask you to enter your text and then you select the style you want. Okay, there are several styles you can see. Several styles, some are premium, some are free. Okay, so I'm just going to enter my name. Okay, so then you click on next. Okay, now so I entered Cheon. Now the only thing is Draw Graffiti actually allows you to use just 7 letters at a time. So I'll just type my name Cheon, then I'll click on the style I want. I think I love this. Okay, so I'll wait for it to transform it. Okay,
Secret school hacks nobody knows about. It's called Nerd AI. You can literally ask.
okay, so because I'm using the free one, it comes with advert, but you can see it has started working on it. Okay, so just continue pressing this, so it will keep editing it for you. Okay, all right, you can see the amazing transformation. Then I'll just click on share, then I will allow it to have access to my photo.
Start a new language learning journey with Duolingo. Designed by experts, Duolingo's new path helps you practice.
Okay, so if you are using the free one, it comes with some adverts. Okay, so you can choose any of the style. You can change the name. Let me write another name. Let me write roots, or let me just write rootsy. Then I'm going to choose the style. Let me work with this now. Then I'm going to click on start again, and just click it for as many numbers that are there. You can see it's done. Okay, it's done. Then you can share it. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching that video. I hope it's helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to give us a thumbs up. Remember, you can make a request about whatever training you want us to give you. Just drop it in the comment section and expect a video on how to do that shortly. Thank you very much. Love you.